Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. I went camping. I thought while I was here I should just have a look at these things and maybe make a video. This one's on. This is a washing machine, a Speed Queen. I don't know that I've ever seen a Speed Queen before. And I don't know what make or number it has actually. I can't see. Oh, there's the thing. USA model number SWT911WN3069. 230 volt commercial washing machine. There's a clue about where I am camping. And over here there's a dryer. I think two dryers, it's a double unit with a coin up in the center. So it's got a down arrow for this one and up arrow for that one. I can't show you this one because I presume it's locked on. There's some instructions. £1 coins, 3 to wash, 2 to dry. That's your thing. Let's just have a look. There's a hanger upper thing over there and a sink and stuff to clean up. And there's, it's massive, look at that, it's huge. There's another model number up there. Can't really show you anything with these. And we have a look in the bottom one too.
Yeah.
Pretty much the same thing, really big. You get a lot for £2, although it is an electric dryer, which is not so great. Newer old coins. Looks like it takes 20 and 50p's, but it doesn't. It only takes older new £1 coins. So only new ones in there, and I guess older new in this one, I guess. And all the other slots are blanked out. Likewise over here. I'm guessing that's the same up here. It takes old and new, and then old and new. Yeah, that's okay. Interesting. So commercial washing machine, but 2 dryers. I guess drying maybe takes longer, but yeah, so the washing takes less time than the drying. So there you go.
Speed
Queen.
Queen.
No, that one's rocking and rolling. There's not much to show you really. It's,
That is going really fast inside.
you can hear it, yeah. There's not much to show you. It's just on. It is what it is.
There's a green light showing you that it's on.
Yeah, and it says, this one says it's on. And this one says the lid will not open when the light is on. So that means that it's locked. Right, so it's on. Cool. Questions or comments, leave below. Thanks for watching.
See you later.
See you later.